Vault of Souls is designed to be a unique evening of elegant fear. It's the ideal place for grown-ups to go who want to still celebrate Halloween in a very elevated manner. It starts with a high-end cocktail party, hand-passed hors d'oeuvres, and when you are called, when you are summoned, you then enter the realm below, which we call the ritual. This is a 12,000 square foot non-linear theatrical experience where you are actually a character. And you have a goal. You have a goal. You must complete a 4-word phrase in order to return to the world of the living. But don't think that you can partner up and copy off of each other's papers, because everyone has their own personalized goal. Then when you return to the world of the living, you end up in a beautiful outdoor garden under the stars with additional entertainment and additional passed hors d'oeuvres. So it becomes an entire evening for people who enjoy this Halloween celebration. This is a theatrical experience. However, it is a theatrical experience that takes place in and is heavily inspired by the fact that this building is considered to be one of the top 3 paranormal hotspots in the city of Tampa. There are people who will not go into certain parts of this building for fear of what they might encounter. I don't think there's anything evil here, but there's certainly something that is unseen. So the Vault of Souls is one of the most unique experiences, certainly in the city of Tampa, when it comes to celebrating the Halloween season. It is not a haunted house, although there are elements of that. It is not a cocktail party, although there are elements of that. It is not a performance space, although it is loaded with live performance. We try to pretty much break every rule you can imagine when it comes to a haunted house. You know, we're the only haunted house I know that starts with hand-passed hors d'oeuvres. If you're the kind of person who enjoys celebrating Halloween like an adult, come to the Vault of Souls. I will say reservations are going very quickly, so right now go to elegantfear.com and make your reservations to join us for an evening of elegant fear.